day two on the ship, day two at sea, and it's time for a very, very, very serious complaint about MSC Virtuosa. In your club, in the Grill&Bar area, the lunch is so amazing that I don't think that I will stand one chance to go in the main restaurant. Robbie, the Yacht Club Director, Danny, the head butler, Frankie, the maitre d', they are all around. It's a kind of an insurance that the lunch will be amazing. Excellent, fabulous cuts of meat, fresh fish and seafood, beautiful made salads, and fresh cooked pasta. How can you go indoor in a restaurant, even if the restaurant in your club is amazing? How you can go there when the sky is amazing, the temperature is perfect, the lunch is fabulous? Leonard, no chance to go to the restaurant for lunch today. Just to mention it, that's a complaint.